I'm pleased to share the launch of distribution of the county bursary fund checks for the year 2024 to the various beneficiaries across all 45 wards. This time round, we are dispersing a total of 245 million shillings in bursaries to over 60,000 students in various secondary schools and vocational training centers. This is the second bursary allocation we are dispersing since my administration revived the county bursary fund, which had previously been done away with. I regret that this disbursement is coming in a date, having personally given out application forms in February. As you are aware, the delay was occasioned by a stoppage of our county budget due to stoppage or sabotage from the same leaders who petitioned to COB. Today, we are ashaming the devil by this exercise, where beneficiary students are receiving their checks just in time to start their second term in school. And I want to tell those saboteurs, shame on you. I agree with the need of minority, but for this kind of criminal action, where we're going to kill the ambitions, the lives of so many people, those people must be ashamed and they should come back, apologize to our people. I'm sorry, I know some students are sent away from school, whereas we have checks here. I feel for you, my people. But as a leader, I'll stand with you through thick and everything. Our quest to support needy students is to afford the education which is worth equalizer, enabling all scale the socio-economic and political leadership ladder. Importantly, the county bursary fund targets students from needy backgrounds who are in various secondary schools. This year, we have factored in those in vocational training centers also benefit from the county bursary. As I promised last year, the bursary kitty has been increased from 145 million to 245 million shillings. Each electoral ward has been allocated an average of 5 million Kenyan shillings. And the fund has been transparent, executed through the Honorable MCS. As you are aware, I personally led the distribution of bursary forms in all the 45 wards, and this was a deliberate effort to instill good order and transparency. You saw me going round. The last incident you saw is where we were shot at when we were trying to give forms to needy students at Nyakembeni. Equally, to deter any form of mischief and fraud with regard to disbursement of funds, we are drafting individuals' checks to beneficiaries. I have an experience of where if you wrote a check to two students, one will take it to their bazaar in the secondary school before their accounts, then one will cancel the other name and check in for one person. But indeed, this roundup, every student, not the student, every people, you know, students, they are people of a high institutional plan. Every people will carry a check of so much to school. Or you go to the bank here, bank, go with the banking what? And to help boost performance in other areas in the education sector, we have already absorbed all our ECD teachers under permanent terms. Equally, with the county budget now operational, our ECD classes or centers are set to get done to modern standard. Also, we are gearing to revamp our vocational training centers for the sake of full education. Our plan to have our training colleges mentored by Center of Excellence's technical training is well on our course. Already, Yaoundé Polytechnic has signed an MOU with one city polytechnic from China. As I conclude, let me thank members of the county board. Chairman, thank you for the good work you did. And from the county to ward boards. The service providers, bank, the staff, the parents, the media, and all those who participated in making this exercise successful. Today, beneficiaries from the wards in Kisii municipality were invited to receive their checks throughout the week. I will be bringing the respective MCAs, and my office is transferring all wards to distribute the checks. And I want to say this, that yes, I know there are some wards for specific, all specific wards which may delay a bit. You will bear with us in those wards that will give you the checks. And this will be done tomorrow. We are in Kitutu Church North, Kitutu Church South, and Bonchai.